Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can simply adjust the quality of your videos by using the color grading or adjustment in CapCut. So first, just add your clips and head to adjust and you can follow the settings. So for the contrast, increase it to 15 and increase the saturation and also exposure to 5. And then the sharpen 40. Lastly, increase the highlight to 5. And after that, you are done. Just click on a check icon and let's see the before and after. So this is the before and here is the after. You can see the difference, right? Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.